Guys, I had the most amazing shopping experience at the Senreve store in San Francisco. I can't wait to show you guys like a little vlog, things I got to try on in the stores, and of course we picked up something as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celesta. We talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do post videos every week. Okay, so I figured we'd jump right into the vlog. You guys are able to see like the in-store shopping experience, see different bags that I was able to try on, and then I'll give you guys a little review on the store, information on the store, and of course, unboxing.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, but play move side to side. Mile high, when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night. Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise.
Okay, so let's just jump right into the store review. I personally love to go in stores to shop and try on and feel, because obviously when you see it online on a model, it's gonna look a lot different than on me, right? Even like the coloring could be different versus like computer versus like in real life, stuff like that. So I love being able to go in stores and touch and feel and try things on. And so I'm so glad that I was able to do that at Senreve. I also didn't know that Senreve had a store in San Francisco until more recently, and they've been around. Like, it's not like this is a new store. So the San Francisco store is located on Jackson Street. It's pretty close to the Ferry Building if you're in that area. So this is the only US store location. They have another store in Singapore, but this is the only US store location as of right now. There are plans to open another store, so stay tuned. I think that's gonna be very exciting. So I popped in the store around Saturday at 11, and there were a ton of things to try on. I love that there were so many selections. A lot of the selections were out, so I was able to just like kind of look and feel and be like, okay, I wanna try on this one, or I love the color of this one. Like, the world was my oyster. Something that I do really like about Senreve is that there's a lot of styles, but each of the styles come in different sizes as well. So like personally for me, I don't prefer like the largest size of any bag. So even for like the Maestro, which is their most popular, most iconic style, they have 3 different sizes of the Maestro. So the largest size fits like a really big laptop. I would probably say like a 16-inch laptop. The medium size would probably fit about like a regular 13-inch laptop. And then the smallest size would fit like an iPad. So you can kind of decide which size fits best on either on you or for your lifestyle, what bag size you prefer. So even if you do like this style, you're able to choose between different sizes, which I think is great because some stores don't always offer these different size selections as well. Like, they have that same style, but you aren't really able to be like, okay, I want this bag, but in a smaller size. Like, there's no smaller size available sometimes. So that's something that I really like about Senreve. They have so many different sizes in each of their bags. So as I mentioned a little bit earlier, their San Francisco store is really nice. It's actually a really big space, and they have a ton of different styles on display for you to try, and everything was available in stock, which I really like. Also, I really liked how the area was just very calm on a Saturday. I know that area isn't super busy like during the weekend, weekends. It's usually busier during the weekday, but I just felt like it was a very like nice shopping experience. Like I didn't feel like I was being rushed or anything like that. Overall, definitely a great shopping experience. Definitely recommend checking it out, especially if you're in the area thinking about getting a Senreve bag, but you're like, I don't know how I feel about just ordering something online. Definitely pop into the stores, try it on, you know, see what you're feeling, because I feel like being able to touch and feel a bag is so much better, and I feel so much more confident than just like, you know, adding to cart and like placing an order online. Okay, now it is time for the unboxing. Technically unbagging, because I don't think it comes in a box, but it was so well packaged. I feel like it doesn't look as amazing. We did carry this around the city while we like got lunch afterwards and everything like that, but the packaging is great. I'm so excited to just like go for it, unbox it. So the bag style that I got was actually something that I don't have in my current collection. I've been trying to diversify. I don't know if diversify is the right word, but I've been trying to diversify my collection because I don't want to just end up with a ton of black shoulder bags, which I already have my fair share of black shoulder bags. I want to have a collection that like I don't feel like there's duplicates of, so that I find a bag and have a bag for every situation, or I'm not in a situation where I'm like, like this outfit could look good with this shoulder bag, but also could look with this other black shoulder bag. Like I don't want any redundancy, but here she is. I'm so excited. I feel like you guys are really gonna like this because I really like this. Okay, so obviously Senreve dust bag, we love. Okay, like, come on, this is so cute. So this is the Circa bag. So this bag retails for $5.45. It's like this cute little round bag, and Senreve bags are amazing because you can wear them as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody, as a backpack, as you can take out the strap, you can put on a different chain. Like there's so many different ways to wear this bag, and that's why I'm like so obsessed with this. Like this bag is a backpack, like come on, I'm sold. So I believe the color is blush, and it's also in this pebbled grained leather, and so it's very carefree. Like I can go like this and not really have to worry about it, and that's something that I really like about this kind of leather in general. It's very carefree. You don't have to feel like you're babying it compared to other bags that are like smoother leather, even lambskin, you know, things like that. Okay, so I think the strap is inside, I'm hoping. Yes, okay, so we have a leather strap inside. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on me. Oh my god, wait! Okay, I didn't even notice this when I got this. So the inside is, I believe this is a suede. Okay, yes, this is a micro suede lining. And then there's even like this little, I don't know if you can see this. So there's even like a little keychain on the inside of these bags, which I've actually noticed this with quite a few of my Senreve bags that do have like a little like keychain leather bit stitched on. And it's such a small little detail, but I don't have to go digging in my bag for my keys. Like I feel like it's just such a small detail, but I love it. Okay, I am so excited for this bag. This is so cute. We're gonna put on the strap. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and all the different ways that you can wear it. Okay, so I just adjusted the strap for the first style. So the first way you can wear this is as a crossbody bag, as a longer shoulder bag. There are what feels like infinite holes for this bag, which is so amazing because like I'm short, so like I need a very adjustable bag. But if you're like on the taller side, then you would obviously have it on a shorter setting, which I think is great. Like it's just very size inclusive. So this is what it looks like on me as a crossbody bag. I love the way that this looks. I feel like this is just such a cute spring and summer bag. You can also wear this as a longer shoulder bag. I kind of like this where you just have it like just thrown over your shoulder, and then I put it like, I have my hand on the bag and kind of just like carry it like that. I think that's perfect as well. You can also wear this bag as a backpack. Like, okay, crazy. So then you just take this and then kind of like pull these in, and then you have your backpack straps, which is crazy. So this is what she looks like as a backpack. I would love to wear this as a backpack. I think just being able to be hands-free and just have it like sit on my bag, it's not very heavy, like it's perfect. And then also you can wear this as a top handle bag. Like this, I'm sorry, but just as a top handle, like tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. I would love to wear this just as a top handle. I think this is so cute. I'm obsessed. I think that this would be this would be so cute. You could also wear this bag with different removable, adjustable straps. Senreve has a whole collection of different straps you can get as well, or you can always take the straps that you have from other bags. Like for example, my Louis Vuitton wallet on chain, that has a removable gold chain strap. I can, in theory, take that off and put it back on this bag. I do have a few straps from Senreve, and I did also pick up this one chain strap as well. Okay, so I did pick up this like kind of chain shoulder strap as well, so you can do something like just like this. I think this is so fun. And then I also have this pearl strap from my other Senreve bag, but I mean again, you can just pick and choose with different straps that you want to play with, and I think this one would be super cute as well. I do really like that the D hooks on this bag are very like almost hidden, like you really don't notice it unless you're looking for it, so I think it just makes for a very seamless look. I don't know if that makes sense, but I love it. Okay, I'm sorry about this. That's not the cutest thing ever. Okay, this might be my favorite way to wear this bag. I can't. Okay, so that sums it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Senreve, thank you for having me in your store. I had such an amazing experience. If you guys are in the Bay Area, definitely go check out their stores. It was such a fun time to be able to just try things on. So many times I see these things online and I'm like, I wonder what that would look like on me. And just being able to like touch and feel and try it on was just amazing. I hope this was helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions about Senreve or the in-store experience in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer all of them to the best of my ability. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave another video for you guys here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!